Hi, my name is Melanie. So nice to meet you. Welcome. This is my life. Hey queens. Today I'm installing a lock on my door because my brother scares me. I still live at home currently and I'm just trying to make myself feel a little bit safe. I was just sanding down this fucking hole in my door and I thought I should film this. Maybe someone would like this. You know, it's like women in STEM, but like women in building, so. But yeah, right now, this hole is not an inch, even though it should be. I'm thinking maybe gravity or something did something to that. And this hole has to be exactly an inch, and it's just slightly less than an inch. So I thought I'd sand it down. I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but I took the handle off already. So I'm already girl bossing. And my mom just gave me a hammer because it says I need a hammer, and this is the hammer she just got. So really, like, I'm just feeling like Bob the Builder, handy-mandy. Like, I'm just sanding this down. It looks kind of sexual, to be completely honest, but I read the instructions and it has like a whole app where you can go like step by step with the instructions. If you have something you want to do and you're like, oh, I want to make that, or man, I really want to fix that, give it a go. YouTube's here. Watch Hannah. Forget her channel name. Hannah something. I'll put it right here. She always motivates me. I'm like, yeah, I can build fucking anything. Or Isabella Page. Like her building a whole entire home. It went in a lot more than me. There we go. 2 screws. I'm so happy. This part, check. Ooh, I'm gonna use, this is when I opened this part made me happy. I just pop this in and I did what the instructions said, so I had the metal thing horizontal set up like this, and the cord was going underneath the lock piece by putting the cord through the big hole and then sliding under, which was weirdly satisfying. Taking the 2 screws, I like to tighten with my fingers a little bit first, and then I can go in with a drill or like a screwdriver because it just helps it get into place. Kind of go like alternating. This is happening. I'm doing the thing. We get to test if the lock is actually working or not with the keys that they provide. It works perfectly. Oh my god, I'm already so proud of myself. Now we're going back to the drawing board. Okay, so for this next part, it's actually going to be locked. Oh, easy. You just literally plug it into here and then put the little slot right in there. This is a lot more counterintuitive than I expected it to be. They aren't so sharp on the end. 52502. 52502. That's the right one. I'm gonna open this bag up first, so they're ready for me when I need them. And then this is gonna go. Okay. Forgot to buy these separately. And this one has a funny little bunny on it, so it has sunglasses. This feels right. Now we program. What's this one? We'll see. I did it.
Measure to confirm that the hole in the door edge is...
This is part 2. I'm putting a safety guard at the top. I just watched a YouTube video on how to do this, so we'll see how this goes. I have a drill because my brother has one. He's letting me use it. It also came with screws, which I'm so happy about. Make sure it's turning right, not left. Okay, so I did the first part and it looks good, but then I was having trouble with the second part into the door. So I have to make some pilot holes, is what they call them. This drill that I have is really fucking old and it's really bad, so that's why we're using that today. I got a gold one because I was like, if we're gonna do this, we might as well make it gold. So I made little markings before I did this where I wanted it. Some people use the drill, but I just got in the habit of not doing that because you can kind of like perhaps fuck up your fingers. So just pull it out till these little prongs get a little bit looser. Take this. I'm gonna put this back where I found it, underneath the exact size it is, just because it's better to stay organized with this stuff because there's so many small little pieces. It's like you get lost. You're gonna be needing to find that one size, and you're gonna have to like buy a new one if you can't find it, and then you're gonna find it like 5 months later. So this guy back in. So loosen it. Smack that body in there and then tighten it. Oops. I think it super duper matters, but I like to do the top and then the bottom first, and then the 2 middle ones. I just feel like it places it better that way, but to each their own. I don't think it actually matters, but I'm gonna just get them all in first, and then I'll slowly tighten them when they're all in. The one thing you don't want to do is strip the nail, because then if you want to take it out, it's like really difficult. So yeah, you just want to like be careful. A tip my brother always told me too is like if you have a drill and you're testing out a different speed, this is super slow, that's faster, and then you can go even faster. You should always test it out, because if you can't handle it, it's not good. So you can strip the nail and you can hurt yourself. So thank you, Johnny. Thank you for the tip. Basically everything I know about building is from my brother Johnny, so. Okay, so see how they're all in, but they're not like completely screwed in? I'm gonna slowly just 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever is working for me. Bam, just like that. I'm gonna test it out now. Thank you so much for coming along on this journey. I hope you found some value in this, whether you learned something new or how to install things, or it was just fun to watch, or that you felt that you related to this video, or you learned something new, or you just found it entertaining. I hope you liked it. Yeah, I'm getting little adhesive little handles because I realized I don't have a doorknob anymore, and now I feel super safe and secure, and I can sleep beautifully tonight. And every night after that, I'm so excited. I'm very happy and proud of myself, not gonna lie. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.